What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove or delete a folder that you've created on your Android phone. Now as you see, I have a folder that I've created here by the name of test, right? And in order to delete folders you need to be careful. So you want to go ahead and tap and open up that folder. So you can simply click and hold on one of those applications, click select, and you can simply tap on those applications. Now, once you do that, you can simply grab again and move those applications out of the folder and just let them go as normal, right? And as you can see there, I now have my applications out of the folder. Now, because I grab all of those applications at once and drag them out of the folder carefully, you see that the folder is now deleted. And that's all there is to it. Then you can easily go ahead and just position your applications by simple clicking on an application and simply move them around, as you can see, in a specific location on your phone that you so desire. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.